Obila more tesend obila masosiot Kericho owito ngimane bang' dere kod tond wuochege mag tich. Obila ni mapoko yang nyinge lela nikech pok anyuola ne ong'e wachni mar thone. Wachore ni nochwale tesend obila masosiot kowuok Roret. Nyaka sani pod onge gimoro amora moseyudi ni oweyo malero gima omiyo kawo ngimane. Kata kamano obila osechako timo nonro mar yango thone.
Okay. The officer is just about 3 days old since he reported to this station. And from the officers who served with him, from Belgut, from Buret, and here, he looked disturbed from yesterday. And we suspect that he could have been having some mental problem. So when we arrived at the area of the incident, we found him still hanging on the shoelace that he used to commit suicide. So the officer is averagely 49 years now. So far, we have very scanty information about him because he's been new in this station. And we searched his body and around where he committed the suicide, but we could not find any suicide note. But we only had we had a kitchen knife and a simi, which he was holding from last night.